Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Decode with Shekhar. Today let's talk about this really interesting function called Google Finance within the Google Sheets. This can be really helpful function to keep a track of all the portfolio that you have invested in and do any further analysis that you might require. So let's start by understanding this function first and some of the general use cases. Followed by, we'll also understand four different examples. So let's start by taking an example of Reliance. Let us write the symbol of Reliance, which is NSE, Reliance, and let us try to find out the current price of Reliance stock. So we'll do equal to Google Finance, the ticker symbol, which is in our cell B1, followed by the attribute, which is the price that we want to know. So that is 2330.5, which matches the price shown on Google as well, which is 2330.5. Now let us try to find what was the price trend in the past 30 days for Reliance. So again, we'll write the Google Finance function. Again, write the ticker, which is in cell B1, followed by, we want to know the price and the start date. So start date, we'll write the function today, minus 30, and the end date would be today. Interval is 1, that means we need the price data for each of the day within the last 30 days. So now let us try to understand the real-time stock price data. For that, we'll take the sample of Google and we'll use the Google Finance function. The ticker is NASDAQ GOOG and the attribute which we want to find is the price. And I'll fill the rest of the attributes. So now let us try to find the historical volume of Google for the last 30 days. Number of days is 30 and interval is every day. So the function that we'll write is Google Finance, followed by the ticker, followed by our attribute, which is the volume, and our start date is basically today minus 30 days, followed by our end date, which is basically today, and the interval, which is 1. So this basically gives us the trading volumes of Google for the past 30 days. So similar to the stocks, we can also understand the real-time attributes of a particular mutual fund. Let's take one of the Fidelity funds for our example, and we'll again use the Google Finance function, the ticker, and the value that we want to measure. So this gives us the yesterday's closing price of a particular mutual fund, and if I'll just fill the values, so I'll give all the other attributes of this particular mutual fund. So let us start by finding the historical price of USD versus the other currency, and here the ticker would be currency colon, followed by the base currency, which is USD, followed by the currency against which we want to see the trend, and again we want to see the price movement, followed by start date, which can be today minus 30 days, and the end date would be today, and we want to know the price every day. So now that we have the historical prices, let us try to plot the spark line. For that, we'll use the spark line function and enclose this table within that, which gives us the spark line. So I'll just move this into the table and plot the same for other currency value pairs. And guys, do check the description box below to see the applicable attributes that can be used within this function. And if you enjoyed this video, please do hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.